Hello, I'm Neerja.
And I'm Pari.
And we're both students in Year 10 at St. Peter's Woodland College in Springfield, and we've helped decorate the street library for Springfield Rise. So I think we wanted to be part of this project just because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and you don't get to do this kind of stuff every day. So we wanted to showcase kind of what we like to do and give back to the greater community.
We were inspired by the cultural diversity within our community, and we decided to represent that with the mandala at the back of the library, as well as Australia's native plant, the wattle. And we've also done a graduation tree on the side of the library within the form of a circuit board.
And that represents kind of a part of our school on the library and how technology has become a major part of our daily lives. Thank you so much to Street Library and Lendlease for giving us this amazing opportunity to be part of such a good community project to help spread joy.
Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed this community library box.